What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado.
And I'm Haley.
And we actually just got back from a small little vacation getaway with Haley's family. We went to Fripp Island, South Carolina, and we've been gone for what, 3 days? 3 or 4 days?
And now we're back, and we're sunburnt, and we're ready to go thrifting.
Exactly. We got home today, and I was ready to relax, and Haley's like, let's go thrifting. I'm like, okay.
Well, it's National Thrift Store Day.
That's true. It is. It's
August 17th.
August 17th, National Thrift Store Day.
So you have to thrift today.
You have to. It's a requirement. I doubt our thrift stores here are going to be giving any deals. I've heard, what was it, in Ohio? What did you say? Utah? Utah. Their Goodwills, they were half off. Cool. Oh yeah, he posted. So we'll get out there to some thrift stores this afternoon, see if we can find some cool stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So at Fripp Island, the place where we were just staying on vacation, they have a lot of wildlife. They have deer just walking around. Like everywhere you look is another deer. Like they had does and bucks, and we got pretty close to them. You could almost reach out and touch them. Then we had a really cool hawk's nest like right next to the place we were staying. It was on top of this old like satellite or cell tower or something, and I had my drone with me, so I was able to fly my drone up over the nest and get a pretty close look at that. So it was a really interesting vacation, but both of us are pretty excited to get back to work. Let's see. These shoes got some Converse, some Fila's, Nikes. Could be good. Could be good. Oh wow, yeah.
Oh, they're separate.
Those look like customized or something though.
A lot of interesting pairs today, but it's pretty warm.
Keep looking. You got some Vibram 5 fingers right here. Have you ever seen these?
Chocolates.
Oh, I didn't even see the chocolates. Yeah.
Okay, kind of.
What's wrong with them?
I don't know, the bottom's just...
Yeah. A little worn. These should be good. They look a little, I mean, size 40. I don't know what that is, but these are in pretty good shape. We'll grab these. These should sell for, I don't know, 35 bucks or so. What are those?
I found these like bright night Asics. I know you don't sell Asics very often, but they just looked in good condition.
They're pretty.
The bottoms are kind of cool.
Oh, the bottom, are they? Those are pretty solid. What size are they?
Woman's 8.
It's a pretty good size. We'll try them out. They're clean. We don't have to do anything to them. Just take pictures. They should be good to go. Find anything?
I don't know.
I have to look through it. I haven't found anything else for the shoes, but I found this baseball bat. I think this is the one that we tried to buy last week and they wouldn't sell it to us because it didn't have a price on it. Now it's $3.94, which is what I would have paid last week. So I'll go ahead and get it. I don't see the other one. Maybe somebody got the other one, but this one's pretty good. The Easton THT 100, maybe? No, model SL11S310. Probably 20-25 bucks plus shipping on that. Just look through these hats up here. Hats are only going to be 50 cents. I don't know if they're 50 cents or $1, but either way, these will be worth picking up. This is like a brand new Remington bright orange hunting hat. Remington is a brand of like gun. And then this hat is a Hard Rock, and it says a Hard Rock in there, but it doesn't say Hard Rock Cafe. So I don't know if that's an actual Hard Rock Cafe hat or if it's just like a knockoff, but it's still cool looking. I'll still grab it. Again, 50 cents or $1 or something like that. Oh, we got a pair of Carhartts right here with a hole in the crotch. Pass. Got a nice Clemson t-shirt over here, a big embroidery on the chest, Signal Sports tag. It is made in USA, it says right there, but it's not single stitch on the sleeve or the bottom, but it's a very like thick shirt. What size medium? Probably looks like a size medium. I may grab it. It's only gonna be $1.50. I think it's pretty cool. While I'm over here finding basic Clemson t-shirts, Haley is finding the good stuff. We got...
Not really. I have a pair of Miss Me jeans.
Yeah.
Really good condition, but the back is really cool.
Yeah, those are super bejeweled. Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah.
We're over here in the clothing area still. Haley got another pair of like, well, those are the Miss Me jeans. What are the other ones? These are platinum plush. And these are also like
a very good brand, but I mean, their embroideries on the back is really cool.
How much are they? Like $5.99, $6? Yeah. Anytime you find stuff that's like got a whole bunch of like bejewels and stuff on the pockets, definitely look it up. We can probably sell these for about 25 or so plus shipping. And then those are the Miss Me jeans we just got, and then we just found these 2 pairs of pants. Both of these are Talbots, which isn't really a great brand, but they're both new with tags, both the same model, high waist straight pant, and both size 2. Retail on the brown was $109, and retail on the black one was like $99. So we figured, I don't know, a lot on 2 of them together in like one listing, and maybe get, I don't know, 40-50 bucks for the lot of 2. So we'll check it out.
Just found Athleta. I don't know how well Athleta does anymore.
I still see people picking up. That looks cool.
There's like one field area right there.
I'd say we get it. Let us know. Is Athleta still a good brand? Drop a comment. Hello, how are you? Good. So that was a pretty solid find. We got the Misbeat jeans that Haley found. We got the pair of Asics shoes, which again, Asics is not something I usually pick up, but that pair was in really good shape and it was a good size, interesting colorway, so we might be able to sell it for 25 bucks or so. Also got the baseball that was pretty good. And, I don't know, just really solid. Oh, the vibrant 5-finger shoes, those were good. Those will sell for like 30, 35. So we're gonna head into the Goodwill bin side of this Goodwill. Ooh, it's cold in here. Just now leaving the bins. We just got a couple things for personal use. I got this cool Life is Good hat, and I didn't want to just buy the hat because usually if you buy things that are less than a pound, they would just round up anyway. So I was like, oh, I'll buy something else. So I got this like really soft throw blanket. And turns out blankets are $2, and for some reason he only charged me $1. And then he put the hat on the scale and he's like, hat doesn't weigh anything, just give me $1. And I didn't have any cash, so we had to use our card, but we only paid $1 for the hat and the blanket. Keeping the hat for personal use, maybe get, I don't know, like 10, 15 bucks plus shipping for the blanket, so not too bad. We're gonna go to one more Goodwill. Okay, yeah, one more Goodwill. We're at another Goodwill here, and we just dropped off a bunch of re-donations at the last Goodwill. And I often get asked, like, if you end up not selling an item, like if we bought an item at Goodwill or whatever and we end up not selling it, redonating it, how does that work on taxes? Like, do you get an extra tax write-off? And the answer is no. First of all, this is not tax advice, but the answer is no. Your write-off is how much you paid for the item. So if you bought something for $1 that was worth $100 and you get home and find out it didn't work, then you redonate it back to Goodwill. You don't get a $100 write-off. You just get the original $1 write-off that you paid for it. So again, not tax advice, but that's how it works. Got a pair of BOC clogs right here. These are in really good shape. BOC, I don't know what it stands for, but wait, Born Concept, maybe. These are just like some leather ones in really good shape. I would only pick these up if they're in like excellent condition. If there's any signs of wear to them, like on the heel drag or toe drag or anything like that, I'd probably pass. These in this condition, we might be able to get maybe like 25 to 30 bucks plus shipping. So we'll go ahead and grab them. But if there's any issues with these, we would pass. I think we got something over here. Maybe. This looks like a Schwinn bike trainer. Oh, I think it's missing a whole section here. There should be another thing that like closes on it. That's a bummer. These things do sell. They're hard to ship, so the last couple that I found, we've just taken them straight to Play It Again Sports, which is like a sporting goods consignment store. But they do sell. I think the last one we paid like $4 or $5 for it at our trip to Savannah, and we took that to Play It Again Sports. I think we got like $45 for it, so they're definitely worth picking up as long as they work. Also got a really cool like Gold's Gem speed bag right here for $7.92. This, I mean, it's got everything. You just bolt it to the wall. There's nothing inside this. You need to fill it with sandbags or something, but I feel like that's a pretty good deal. I don't know what these are worth, but maybe Haley want it for personal use. Haley did not want the speed bags, so I had to go put that back. She's looking at the women's clothes. I've already finished looking at all the hard goods and all the shoes. Didn't find anything except that one pair of BOCs. So we're gonna head to the men's clothes section to see if we can find anything of value over here. And the first thing I found when I walked up was this Nike Team South Carolina windbreaker thing. I don't see any stains or anything like that. It's pretty solid. This will be, I think, $4.75. I think I'll grab this. This should be an easy, like, maybe local Facebook Marketplace sale for, I don't know, 25, maybe even 30 bucks or so. Football season's about to start in a couple weeks, so I think I'll grab this. Not a bad stop in that Goodwill, but not super great either. Haley didn't find anything in the women's clothes or anything else she was looking at, but I got one long stuffed animal to give Mose when we get home. We got the Nike Gamecock jacket and then one pair of BOC clogs. So anywhere to head home now? Pretty tired. Pretty tired. See what the new goods inspector is up to. Hello, Mose. Did you miss us? Here's new goods. New goods to inspect. Something in there is for you. Can you tell what it is?
I'll give you a hint.
Look how long it is.
I'll give you a hint.
Are you prepared to handle that? He looks okay.
I think so.
I think he's got it under control. So I think that's going to be it for work for the rest of the day. We were super tired before the thrift stores, so now we are just ready to chill. There's also like a tornado watch or tornado warning or something going on outside. So we're going to hunker down and chill out for the rest of the night. We're going to hit it full force tomorrow. I think we've got 25 or 26 things that we sold over the vacation time that we were on time away mode. So we're going to get all that stuff shipped out tomorrow. And then tomorrow, we're also going to unbox this box, which is a wholesale order of vintage hats that we bought from Rally Root. So I'll show you guys, you know, what's inside, talk about how much we paid for it, and talk about our potential profit on this wholesale lot. We've never done wholesale before, at least not from like another fellow YouTuber. So I'm super excited to see if this could be a continual avenue of sourcing for us. I'm happy to, you know, buy from other people that I know to support their business, as long as we can get, you know, profitable items that still have some meat left on the bone. So I'm super excited about that lot. But again, that'll be tomorrow. Today, we're calling it quits. Thank you guys so much for watching this little video today. I appreciate your time. If you could take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us, we greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best. And we'll catch you on the next one.